Hello my dear students, great afternoon to one and all. How are you all? I hope you all are well and fine at your home. Today I am here to teach you maths. In maths class, we have done up and down concept in the book. Today we are going to learn about a new concept, that is inside, outside. What do you mean by inside and outside? Now I'll tell you what is the meaning of inside and outside. Inside mean andar and outside mean bahar. The both words are position words. These tells us about the position of an object. When an object is inside in the surface, जब कोई चीज किसी चीज के अंदर होती है, that is called inside position. And when the thing out from the surface, जब कोई चीज बाहर होती है तब उसकी पोजीशन होती है outside. Okay? तो inside mean अंदर and outside mean बाहर. Now let's see some examples of inside and outside.
Inside and outside. This is a ball. This ball is outside of the cardboard box. But now this ball is inside the cardboard box. Now outside, inside. We can see two bees in this picture. The flying bee is outside the honeycomb. But this bee is inside the honeycomb. Inside, outside. Do you like dogs? This puppy is inside the kennel. This dog is outside the kennel. Inside, outside. See, this cat is inside the basket. But this cat is outside the basket. Inside, outside. Have you seen the nest? The blue bird is sitting inside the nest. But this bird is outside the nest. Inside, outside.
Now we will learn about inside and outside from our book. This is page number 31, book number 2. Inside, outside. Inside mean andar, outside mean bahar. Now see these pictures. There are two pictures. In this box, the book is inside the box and there is book is outside from the box. So this book is inside and this is outside. Now read it. This book is inside the box. ये बुक बॉक्स के अंदर है. This book is outside the box और ये बुक बॉक्स के बाहर है. Okay, so this is inside, this is outside. Now see the other picture. There are two pictures and in this picture the dog is inside the kennel and there the dog is outside the kennel. Now read it. This dog is inside the kennel. This dog is inside the kennel. ये dog kennel के अंदर है. And this dog is outside the kennel. और ये dog kennel के बाहर है. So this is inside and this dog is outside. Now see these pictures. There are two pictures. In this picture, the cat is inside the basket. And in this picture, the cat is outside from the basket. Now read it. This cat is inside the basket. ये cat basket के अंदर है. And this cat is outside the basket. और ये cat basket के बाहर है. So this cat is inside This cat is outside. Students, this is page number 31. You have to read this page carefully. Now we will do the page number 32. Firstly, we will read the heading. Look at the picture. Peel the stickers that show objects inside the house and paste them on this page. आपकी बुक के लास्ट पेज पर कुछ स्टिकर्स दिए गए हैं. आपको वहां से उनको पील करना है और उसमें से फाइंड आउट करना है कि कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं जो घर के इनसाइड हैं, जो घर के अंदर रखे जाते हैं. ओके, सो आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू पेस्ट दैट पिक्चर्स. यू हैव टू पेस्ट द पिक्चर्स ऑफ इनसाइड ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द हाउस. आई पेस्टेड द पिक्चर ऑफ सोफा, बुक्स, photo frame, television, table and flower vase. Okay, you have to paste the pictures of inside objects of the house like this. Okay, now we will do the page number 33 in our book. Look at the picture, peel the stickers that show object outside the house and paste them on this page. Students, you have to paste the pictures of outside objects of the house here on this page. Okay, I have pasted the picture of tree here, fountain, light and car. You have to paste the pictures of outside objects of the house like this. Okay, now we will do page number 34 of this chapter. Firstly, we will read the heading. Look at the pictures, color the object that is inside. Yellow and the one that is outside blue. जिस ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन इनसाइड है उसे आपको येलो कलर करना है और जिसकी पोजीशन आउटसाइड है उसे आपको ब्लू कलर करना है. ओके, नाउ सी दीज पिक्चर्स केयरफुली. There is a football and there is a flower. Football is outside from the box and flower is inside in the vase. So football is outside and flower is inside in the vase. So we should fill blue color in bowl and we should fill yellow color in flower. So let's start. How to fill color, I'll tell you. Now see it carefully. I filled the color blue in the football because this is outside from the box, and I filled yellow color in the flower because this is inside the vase. You have to fill color like this in your book, page number 34. So, my dear students, what we have learnt in today's math class? We have learned the concept of inside and outside. Inside means when an object is inside in the surface, जब कोई चीज किसी चीज के अंदर होती है, that is called inside position. When an object is out from the surface, जब कोई चीज किसी चीज में से बाहर होती है, that is called outside position. So I hope you have understood it very well. You have to read page number 31 at your book number 2. And you have to complete the picture pasting activity in your book at page number 32 and 33. And you have to fill color on page number 34. I hope you will do it very well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you in next class.